Ice machine maintenance. Operation guidance of water drainage after shutdown in winter to prevent freeze cracking. If your ice machine is out of production in winter, be sure to drain the remaining water from the condenser, cooling tower, circulation pump, pipeline, water supply pump, etc., so as to prevent freeze cracking. For details on how to drain, please refer to the following operating instructions. 1. Condenser drain. Unscrew the drain cap of the condenser. The water will flow out automatically. Please be aware of the water. If the water cannot flow out for the water outlet is blocked, please use a tool to pierce the water outlet. After the water in the condenser is drained, screw the end cap back on. 2. Dry evaporator drain. Block ice machine condenser. Unscrew the drain screw. The water will flow out automatically. Please be careful not to spray wet. Similarly, if the water cannot flow out for the water outlet is blocked, please pierce the water outlet by using a tool. After the water in the evaporator is drained, screw the screw back. The screw needs to be wrapped with some raw material tape to tighten it more tightly. 3. Water pump drain. Unscrew the drain screw, and the water will flow out automatically. When the water is drained, re-tighten the screw. 4. Cooling tower drain. Close the inlet valve first, and then open the drain valve to drain. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Koller After Sales Service Department are always here for you.